Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing just a little quick tutorial for you. I say quick because I have literally got like an hour to do this. This is a look I did yesterday on my Instagram and I really liked it. And so I asked if you guys wanted to see a tutorial and you did. So here we are. We're going to do it as fast as we can. I have only been doing looks on one eye recently. So this is going to be a little weird for me to do my other eye. I don't know if I even remember how to do it, let's be real. So yeah, I'm gonna use a couple different palettes for this one, just because I don't have one palette that has all the colors I want, which is a story of my life. So I'm gonna use some of my Coastal Scents palette, and I'm also gonna use some of the Modern Renaissance shades. Maybe just one, who knows? And I'm also gonna use this Revolution Eye Glisten. Ooh. First, I'm just gonna take the little purple tray out of my Coastal Scents palette, this one, if you didn't know, and use this like darkest purple shade first and put that in the crease. This is different to how I do my regular makeup, as in I say regular now because I actually do more makeup for Instagram than I do for anything else, but on Instagram I tend to bring the shadows way higher up than I do regularly. I have a really large amount of space above my crease to my eyebrow. So when you take a photo close up and you can't see the rest of the face, it looks better to have more going on up there. But in real life, you look fucking crazy. I did it for Valentine's Day. I wore the way I would do it for Instagram out, and it looked insane. I just had pink going up all the way to my eyebrow. It was not the look. You know, I just been using like literally toilet roll. That looks so gross. I'm sorry. I've literally just been using toilet roll to like wipe my brushes off in between. I really want one of those magic swirls. Oh, I've forgotten what it's called, but it's like a thing you can swirl your brush in and it gets rid of any of the shadow that's on there before. Yeah, we're gonna try our best not to go up to the eyebrow. I know. Oh, real itch going on. And then I'm gonna use the Modern Renaissance palette. And just take the Buon Fresco shade. My most used was literally that pan, Sadness. Just to soften out this purple. So yeah, it's been a little while since I did a video. I've actually got 3/4 of a video already filmed, like a review of the Vault collection. But I haven't filmed the review for the last palette yet. So I've got like 10 hours of footage ready, and literally 3/4 of it edited. I just need to do the last one. I don't know what's wrong with me. What's new? So I'm going out with Ross, my boyfriend, and one of Ross's friends. We're gonna go and see Tourist. He's amazing. You should listen to his music. We're going to Thekla. And if you don't know what Thekla is, because why would you? Unless you're from Bristol. It is a boat club essentially, but his music is not clubby at all, so we don't really know what to expect. And it's a Wednesday. A little bit of a weird one. Yeah, I think that's that eye done. Let's do the other one, which I'm still nervous about. Just wiping my brushes off on my clothes now. I think I would like a more pink transition shade here, because it goes a bit grey in the middle, like the blend between them is a little bit grey, but I don't have one. This is what we're going with. But yeah, since my last YouTube video, I've been doing a lot more on Instagram. A lot of you will have come from there, obviously, but if you haven't, here is some of my Instagram and what I do on Instagram. I will put it somewhere around here. And I'm really enjoying it. Doing makeup on one eye is surprisingly much more enjoyable than I thought it would be. I kind of like diss people who only do one eye. I'm like, why can't they do two? You may as well. I'm like, it's like half the time. You know, now I understand. I see the whole reason. Besides, I don't like it as much. Why does this always happen to me? I don't think I ever bring it down low enough on this side. You evaluate me on that one. Get back to me. I think I'm coming up too high on this left side. I am, look at that. I'm going too high. It's happening. My eyes aren't very symmetrical to start with, so we already have issues. I think we're looking okay there for now. This is what I usually do for cut creases. I will use some makeup remover and remove the whole area. Otherwise, if I'm doing a light colour on the lid, it tends to just muddy with the purple eyeshadow. I'm just going to take a little cotton bud and some micellar water stuff. And just get on with it. I don't really know my cut crease shape on this side, so that's just gonna be a whole thing. Just pour a little bit into the lid. Let's erase. I'm only doing a half cut crease, so I don't need to erase all the way to back here. Sorry about that. Okay, I think that's gonna be our right shape. Let's try and do the left side. I'm worried about this. Concerned. Okay, now I'm just going to go over that with a little bit of concealer, not thick, just a little bit, just so that the shadows will stick. Now I'm just going to blend the purple into a kind of like magenta on the purple side of pink shade, and that's going to be in the middle. So we're going to go purple, brighter pink, and then this very gold pink. You can see there at the end. So yeah, I'm just going to lay this down first. Okay. I'm just going to use a small, my goodness, I almost put myself in the eye. A little small brush just to get up to that edge of the cut crease. These eye glistens are a little bit transparent, these. So anything you put underneath, you will be able to see, if color-wise. So if you had any, like an accidental stripe of color or whatever, and you were like, oh, it doesn't matter because I'm just gonna go over it with this, you will be able to see through it. Now I'm gonna take a light pink and then pull that all the way into the inner corner. Okay, we're looking great. Oh, my foot has totally gone to dead. Gone to dead. It's gone to sleep. Hold on. Oh, I can't even feel it. I'm sitting cross-legged. Mistakes were made. My bone's just cracking back into position. Now let's get this on. This does not blend the best at the edges. So I'm also going to be using this Beck Pigment from Makeup Revolution as well, because it is exactly the same colour. But I'm just going to take this little brush, I think it's a paintbrush, whatever you got to hand, and then put that over the cut crease up until the line. This dries pretty fast. You really want to, like, if you try to blend it, you've got to do it when it's wet. So yeah, if you have a similar shade shadow, it would be good to just go over the edge with it, just to blend it out. It's working better than it did yesterday though. I think I've learned a little something. Okay, there we go, it's on. Now I'm going to go over it with the loose pigment. Isn't that lovely? I'm just going to grab some of the magenta shade from before and blend those together a bit more as well. I want more of the pink, yeah. Now I'm just going to do the under eyes. I think this eye actually looks better than this eye. Amazing, who would have thought it? Under I'm going to keep simple because that's what looks best on me. Just a little smoky underbit. My smoky underbit on. But yeah, how is this looking? I can never tell until I look at the video, so this could look terrible and I wouldn't know. So I'm gonna go in with the magenta, as it isn't that prevalent in the top of the look. It really adds on the bottom. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the purple and just blend it slightly. I don't want to bring it too low down at the back here because I want there to be a continuous line. So I'm going to focus on adding it in the front. Okay, let's just hit the inner corner. First I'm just going to add some NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk because the loose pigment I'm going to use needs a little bit of a base. And then taking Saint, where is it? Here it is. It's front and center because I use it all the time. It is another one of these little loose pigment pots. I think this one is my favorite. I use it literally all the time for inner corner highlight. So bright. You can see it from space. Okay, should we do liner first? Let's outline this cut crease first. So I'm just taking the same Glisten, not changing types or anything. And I'm just gonna use the glitter end now. So I just get a tiny, tiny little paintbrush with a really fine tip on it. Get a little bit of the glitter and then begin. Then I'm just gonna put a little bit right on the inner corner, make it stand out. And let's do the other eye. Ugh. This is like, look at what I'm having to do here. This is my braced position. This is ridiculous. Beautiful. So now let's just do some liner real fast. In the look on Instagram, I did a kind of gradient from purple to black. I think, let's see how it looks, but I might just do today just black. Okay, we got a nice thick wing. I think that's wings done. I think they're the same length. One always turns out more like swooshy than the other. I don't know why. Also got some like lovely handprints all over my goddamn face now. That's why you always do your eyes first. Just gonna put a little dab of concealer each side and then take this very thin, flat winged liner it's for, supposedly. Brush and just go along the edge. There we go. So now I'm just going to do lashes and then we're going to be done. I think we're looking great. Let's just glue on some lashes and then I do have to do the waterline. This lash has red glitter all over it, which is great. Other lash. Oh my god, I just accidentally ripped off the end of this lash. This is so sad. Oh, I think these are like falling apart. Not good. This one's so much shorter now. Oh, we're gonna have to try and glue on that end. Okay, we just glued that little bad boy on there at the end. Let's just do this liner real fast. So I'm going to use this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade I'm Royalty. I'm going to put that on the outer portion of my lower lash line. And then taking some white eyeliner, I'll just put that on the inner portion. And I think we're done. Might have missed some things. As I say, I am in a little bit of a rush. But yeah, what do you think? Are we done? I need to just put lipstick on and get changed and everything. But yeah, I've got like 5 minutes to get dressed and put my contact lenses in and do my lipstick. So I will leave it there. If you want to see the original look, go and look on my Instagram. And yeah, I'm looking forward to tonight. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun. I gotta go. So this is the look. What do you think? What do you think, Ross? Give me your opinion.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. That's great.
Fantastic.
5-star review. Yeah?
It's a purple dream.
Purple dream. You heard it first. So I'm gonna go out now. It's actually been like 2 hours since I finished. Instead of, I was working to such a strict schedule before, trying to get finished for 6 p.m. But turns out I didn't need to be ready until 8:15. How are we looking? We're looking shiny. Probably a little bit. That's okay though. We're going somewhere dark. That's what I always say. Who cares as long as it's somewhere dark? Hope you follow along with this tutorial. And then tag me on Instagram if you do. I would love to see. Thank you.